Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Actually, I did another vlog before this, but it's still being edited. So let's do this first. The books arrived today. It's heavy. So we're gonna do a bit of unboxing today. Unboxing today, and I want you to be a part of it. So, heto na. Okay, so while opening it, I didn't really plan on writing this book, but I feel that the wisdom of the men I interviewed, real men I interviewed, was so rich that a book had to be written on it. So I just did it because I felt led. I started with Brother Odi Villaraza, and then it rippled. And I really didn't intend to printing it, but then people were asking, magpa-print ka ba? And my dream now is that every single household will have a copy of this book. Because, like, I was listening yesterday to Tony's interview kay Idol Rafi Tulfo, and he said majority of the issues being reported to him are really family issues. And I feel that if two people start it right, they're already ripe and right, they're able to take good care of themselves and one another, then it will really solve a lot of the problems in the world. Because usually people who are acting up are coming from so much brokenness within the homes. So imagine a woman who knows her worth only saying yes to a man who would really love her right, and she's in the position of loving him in the right way as well, in a healthy way. Imagine the kind of homes the children can grow up in, diba? I'm not saying perfect, pero closer to heaven. Yun. Hinihingal ako. Kanina pa kasi ako wala ng lakad eh. Okay, wait, here. Here they are. Thank you to all those who got a copy. Tada! Tada! Ay, saka mama. Tada! Ang bigat, grabe. So, pating paton ba yan? Okay, here. Gulo ko. Ayan. Tada! So, I'm excited to sign these books and to send them your way. So, if you're looking for a gift for single friends, for a family who has a daughter, consider giving them this, and I'll be happy to give discounts if you get 10 copies or more. So, I'll just put my email down below and the link to purchase the books. So, yeah. Thank you for being a part of my journey.